Greatest impacts on the Stern Shore: winter storm warning, blizzard warning, and winter weather advisory. Winter storm warning, blizzard warning, and advisory for winter weather. Greatest impacts on the Stern Shore: we have any array of winter weather alerts that are in effect for our area this evening. Our winter weather advisory is in effect for Cecil, southern Baltimore, and Arundel, St. Mary's, Calvert, and southeast Harford Counties. Widespread snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches are likely, with isolated locations picking up a little more. Northwest winds gusting around 40 miles per hour Saturday. A winter storm warning is in effect for most of the Eastern Shore and central and northern Delaware. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Snow will become heavy at times tonight through Saturday morning. Snowfall rates near 1 inch per hour are possible, with significant reductions in visibility. Falling snow will diminish west-east early Saturday afternoon, but areas of blowing snow may continue into Saturday night. A blizzard warning is in effect for extreme southern and eastern Maryland, including Ocean City. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 10 to 18 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. When venturing outside, watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. After the snow exists on Saturday, breezy winds will dominate and filter in dry, freezed Arctic air. Winds will gust up to 40 miles per hour across the area. Temperatures will struggle to reach the upper 22nd, while wind chills spend most of the day in single digits. Saturday evening will be bitterly cold as well, and by Sunday morning some folks will wake up to sub-zero wind chills. Thank you very much for watching this news. Hope you will be better from this winter storm warning, blizzard winter and winter weather advisory from this news media. Thank you very much. Please be safe and support the channel as always. Thank you very much. Bye for this moment.